Welcome to the Lumi Business Demo. Now, as a pharmacist, being able to have complete control over your stock, that your drugs, is extremely crucial to the success of your business. You need to be able to track when your drugs are about to expire so you can sell them off before they expire. You need to be able to track when you're running low on of drugs that are high in demand, and you can do all of that using the Lumi business platform. You also want to be able to track customers that buy on credit. You can do all of that and so much more using the Lumi business demo. Now, once you log into the platform, this is what you will see, and we have demo videos over here. These are the 3 things you need to get started. You need to know how to create your store, how to add products, and how to sell your products. We have more comprehensive videos on this, or you can just click on any of these tutorial videos to watch the YouTube video. So to get started, you navigate to the sidebar and click on inventory. Everything you need to manage your account is right here. You click on store, which is the first thing you need to do. You create a store. You enter your store name, store address. You select the category as pharmacy, and you enter VAT rate if you want to charge your customers VAT. So you need to activate the prescription feature, which is very useful for pharmacists. Custom pricing feature can also be activated. This allows you updates the price of products at checkout. With the exchange rate, prices of drugs are constantly changing. So if you don't have time to do it back end, you can simply update the price from here. And if you don't want to do that, you can just leave everything off. So once you've been able to create your store, the next thing to do is add a new product. Now, this is the bulk upload products feature is recommended when you are starting off. We can provide support in terms of getting you onboarded at an extra cost. All you need to do, you can also do it yourself. All you need to do is download the templates. There you have to enter the product name, what category, is it anti-malaria, is it pain relief. You need to enter all of those categories, and then you enter the quantity. You'd also enter the expiry date, cost price, selling price, and every other information that's on the Excel sheet. And once you're done with that, you then upload the product. Now, once you're done uploading your products, subsequent products can be added using the create single products option. You enter the product name, category, what store you want it to be available at, and then enter the cost price, the initial stock level alert is when you want to be alerted. So if you have 2, if you put 2, for example, you want to notify when you have 2 left, then it will notify you when you have 2 let's say 2 packs of Panadol, for example, 2 carts of Panadol. That's when it's going to notify that you're running low on Panadol and you need to restock. Or you can also do like a promo. So if a product is 1,000 naira and you're doing a 10% discount, it means that product will sell at 900 naira instead of 1,000 naira. You can also add multiple pricing options. If you have a price for retail and a price for wholesale, you can enter as many pricing options as possible. So that's basically it in terms of creating your products. And once you're done, you can just click on create products. So once you're done uploading your products, that's everything you need to set up your account back end. In the future, if you need to restock on any item, all you need to do is just click on the restock button. You select whatever supplier it is that select the supplier that has supplied the drugs, and you can then add as many products as you want to restock on. So you can either type it or you can scan the products and update the quantity. If the price has changed, you can update the cost price and the selling price, and you can also add like a discount if you're going to be running discounts on the product. Okay, so you can do this for as many products as you would be updating. Okay, and once you're done with all of that, you would enter the amount you'll be paying the supplier. Once you enter the amount, so let's say I'm paying 10,000 naira. I mean, this already calculates how much based on the cost price and the quantity. So if I say I'm paying 10,000 naira, it shows that this is my outstanding balance. And once you're done, you can also upload the invoice if you like, and once you're done, you just click on submit to update or to make these changes. So I've successfully restocked my products, and so let's sell now. So once you click on sell mode, you view the store and you will see all of your products. So to sell, you simply add to cart and you check out the item. So if the person is making this purchase as a credit transaction, all you need to do is just add the customer. If it's an existing customer, you can just search for the customer's details and confirm. So once you have confirmed, you can then generate a prescription. So you enter the quantity and click on confirm. That's for prescription, if it's a prescription drug. And if you're done, you can then just print this. And yes, that's how to sell a product. So you can track everything that happens in your accounts over here. Sales transactions, you can see everything. This is the last transaction I made. It's a credit transaction and you can see it here. You can use stock history to track everything that's happened in the account. So these products, now these are the products I restocked, and then this is what I just sold as well. So you can track everything there. And so now to manage your stock, I know as a pharmacist you're going to need to take to do like stock counts from time to time. So you can use the Lumi Business Reconciliation feature to manage your stock taking process. Simply click on reconciliation, you select your store and you click on reconcile stock. Okay, so you click on reconcile stock, you select the store. So here, this is the system count and this is the physical count. So if for example I do a physical count of the drugs on the shelf and I have 10, it means I'm short by 1, and this is the estimated impact of the missing item. So you can then select if it was a fraud that occurred in your organization, and once done, the person carrying out the reconciliation can submit for review. That's if it's a manager or your head nurse that's doing the stock taking process. So you click on review and you can see everything that has a discrepancy, and you can approve or reject. If you approve it, this system count would be updated with 10, and you have accepted that you've lost 2,700 naira, which is going to be reflected in your financials. Or you can reject it and the changes will not be impacted in your accounts. So we also have reports. So this allows you to track your profit and loss at the end of the day. So you simply click on profit and loss and you can see your opening stock, your profit at the end of the day. We also have stock out reports that allows you check what products you have available, how many you have out that are out of stock. So when you're going to the market, you can have an idea of the products that are available and the ones that are not available. So here all of my products are, my products are sort of up to date. I've not really exceeded my minimum stock count yet, so I don't really need to restock on any product. So this just saves you from going to the market to buy things or products that you actually do not need, because you have so many of them in the pharmacy. Overstocking on products can just lead to them staying in the pharmacy, getting expired, and leading to a loss in revenue. So this stock out report is very, very crucial for business owners. We also have expenses. It allows you manage your expenses, things like diesel, transportation, food. You can keep track of everything and also know what to cut down on at the end of the day, so that you're not spending too much running your business than you're making as profits. We also have customers. So this allows you manage your customers. You get to know your top spending customers, and you can also track their credit as well. You can also get their name, their phone number, birthday, so you can push out personalized messages to them on their special days. Customers need to know that they're spending money on your business. They need to know that they feel that they are loved and appreciated as well. So this customer dashboard helps you track your most loyal and your top spending customers, which is crucial for your business to grow. So we also have storefront. So the storefront feature allows you to sell online. Today we have so many people that want to place an order for drugs, hormonal supplements online, instead of having to go to the physical store. All you need to do to get started is click on create storefront. You enter your storefront's name. There is a more comprehensive video on that, on our YouTube page. A sales representative is going to reach out to you and get you started on that, so you can shuffle however you want. You need to link the payment, so you need to watch the video on our YouTube page, and once you do that, you have successfully created your storefront. So you can share this link with your customers for them to place an order for the drug. So if I just add this to carts now, your customers can simply add this to carts, and this is showing up because I haven't linked any payment method yet. So but basically this is what your customers are going to see at the that's on the online store. So to track your credit transactions, you simply click on credit logs, and if a customer has come back to pay for the credit transaction, you confirm that, okay, let's say the person is doing a transfer, you update, and once you click on update, see this is now 0. So this is now 0. It means the customer is no longer owing me, and I've closed out on that credit transaction. And you can do the same for subsequent transactions that a customer purchases on credit. So for sales transactions, your nurses can generate end of day report and share with you. So all they need to do is just go to sales transaction. You click on generate export end of day and select the store, the person. So I'm just going to select today, and you click on generate end of day. So once you click on generate end of day, you can see, so this is the credit transaction I made. If you click on download full summary, you can see the breakdown of the products that were actually sold, who sold it, how much it was sold for, and so many other information. So that's pretty much everything you need to get started on Lumi Business. As a pharmacist, we know how important it is for you to be able to keep track of your drugs that are about to expire, not just because of loss in revenue, but also the regulatory implication of having an expired drug on shelf. And to help support this, we push out email notifications on drugs that are about to expire. Depends on what you want to set it as. But today we do like in the next 6 months, you're just about to expire in the next 6 months, we push out an email notification. We also push out email notification on your products that you're running low on. You can see an analytics of your top performing products over here. So you simply click on analytics and you select your store, and you can see your top performing drugs. Also, you can also see a graph on how well you're performing in terms of revenue, which is your sales. So that's everything you need to get started. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a dedicated team ready to support you in the onboarding process and also provide additional training for you and your staff to get started. Please reach out to us with any questions you may have so we can book a one-on-one demo session with you to get started. Thank you.